Welcome to chapter 5 of my Ladakh bike riding. Today we are going to a village called Turtuk, which is around 95 to 100 kilometers from Hunder. It's a very short ride. We started around 10:15 a.m. in the morning, and we reached Thang village, which is the last village on the India side, by around 1:45 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Most part of this ride goes along with the Shayok River. There is no climbing. We could see a lot of army presence here as well, because Siachen Glacier is very close to this. After an hour of riding, we came across this beautiful bridge. All along the way in this road, you will see a lot of bridges. I think it is built across the Shayok River. I thank Mr. Pradeep for providing his footage. Otherwise, I would not be able to show you the landscape in this way. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do it now and click on the bell icon so that you get all my notifications about my future videos. We reached the Thang village by 2 p.m. From here you can see the Pakistani village on the other side, and there is a Pakistani bunker also. After taking some pictures and having lunch, we started our journey back towards Hunder. I took some drone shots in Bagdong village. The people were there very cooperative. Now enjoy some drone shots.